This video is going to show you how to convert from mixed numbers to improper fractions. We're going to look at two different methods for doing this. So in our first method, we're using an example of 2 wholes and 3/7. The first thing we're going to do is make sure we understand what each of these numbers is actually telling us. So this 2 here means that we have 2 wholes. Okay, we've got 2 wholes. The 7 tells us that there are 7 pieces in each hole. Okay, so 7 pieces in each hole. And this 3 here, our numerator, tells us that we have 3 pieces left over. We've got 3 pieces left over. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite these holes. So each hole we're going to write as 7/7 because 7 pieces out of a possible 7 makes 1 hole. So we're going to rewrite both of our holes as 7/7. So we've got 7/7 and 7/7. When we put those together, it gives us 14/7. Okay, now we still have these 3/7 left over, so we're going to have to add those in. So we've got 14/7 plus our 3/7 that were left over. And if we add those together, it gives us a total of 17/7. So what we can say is that 2 and 3/7 is equal to 17/7. Okay, so that's our first method. Now for our second method, again, we want to make sure we know what each one of these numbers means. So our 2 here, that's our whole number. Our 7 here is our denominator. And our 3 is our numerator. So we're going to take these numbers and we're going to plug them in here. Okay, so we can rewrite this as our whole number, so 2 times our denominator of 7 plus our numerator, which is 3, and it's all over the same denominator, so that same 7. So what we're really doing here is we're taking the number of holes we have, multiplying by how many pieces are in each hole, and then we're adding on those leftover 3/7. So we're going to perform these operations here. So we'll do our 2 times 7, which gives us 14 plus 3, and that's all over 7. 14 plus 3 gives us 17 over 7. So again, we can say that 2 and 3/7 is equal to 17 over 7. So that's method 2.